Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best toilet plunger that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the OXO Good Grips Toilet Plunger. This OXO plunger is stored in a canister that not only automatically pops open when you pick up the plunger handle, but also offers ventilation slots that allow water to evaporate as the plunger dries. The handle is equipped with a flat top, offering a secure but comfortable grip. The plunger works on all toilets, including low-flow models. This model doesn't just look good, however, it does good, too. OXO is a member of 1% for the Planet, a network committed to tackling environmental issues, meaning 1% of its annual sales, including purchases of this plunger, supports environmental nonprofits. Reviewers love the design of the base, saying it's great to have this plunger for emergencies, but are happy that it doesn't call attention to itself. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Simple Human Toilet Plunger. When it comes to cleaning gadgets and home essentials, Simple Human is a household name. So, it's really no surprise the brand makes the best toilet plunger on the market. The very purpose of a plunger makes it hard to pass off as sleek and classy, but this one does an excellent job at looking stylish in a corner of your bathroom. Not to mention, the rubber cup and flange have a long and narrow profile for fast, effective suction on modern toilets, and you can count on the stainless steel handle to hold up under vigorous use. There's also a freestanding cover with a magnetic collar that attaches to the steel rod. This ensures drip-free closure without you having to touch the rubber piece that just took a dip in your toilet's bowl. What's more, the brand backs this toilet plunger with a 5-year warranty. While it's a bit on the heavier side, we ultimately love this pick because it's durable, functional, and stylish, and worth investing in for all the clogs to come. At number 3, we have the Blue Donuts Toilet Plunger. This beauty from Blue Donuts is ideal for bathrooms without cabinets. It comes with a freestanding metal canister that has a dark bronze finish. The canister has perforated air vents at the top to prevent lingering odors, too. When it comes to the plunger itself, you can make use of a rubber head, as well as a metal handle that doubles as a lid for the caddy. When it's tucked away, this plunger looks a lot like a decorative toilet brush. It's also so easy to hide, because it's a little smaller than the average toilet plunger. All in all, you'll likely have few complaints about its look or effectiveness. At number 2, we have the Sure Plunge Automatic Toilet Plunger. And now for something different. If a hands-on plunging experience is something you'd rather avoid, this Sure Plunge model is worth considering. The Pro-level plunger is powered by CO2 gas canisters that blast away clogs, even in low-flow toilets. Each cylinder is single-use, and the plunger works both quickly and effectively. All you have to do is insert the plunger into the toilet, lean the handle downward, press a button to release the gas, and the clog is cleared. It also comes with a stand so you can store it next to the toilet. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nico 60166A Toilet Plunger. Thanks to the heavy-duty design of the Nico all-angle plunger, you can get tough jobs done fast, and without using much elbow grease. The plunger has a lightweight design, and a flexible and durable rubber cup. Designed to provide tight suction on toilets of varying sizes and shapes, the cup features a unique graduated opening. Not only that, but the extra-long aluminum handle allows you to reach further into the drain if needed. While this plunger doesn't come with a caddy, you can hang it from the peg hole on the handle, and easily reach for it whenever you need to handle a bigger mess. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.